This is gonna blow your mind. Most Eufy Doorbell live view problems take just a few minutes to solve. I'll walk you through the simple steps. Let's get your doorbell working again. First, check your Wi-Fi connection. The Eufy Doorbell needs a strong, steady signal. If your router is far away, try moving it closer or use a Wi-Fi extender. Next, restart your Eufy Doorbell and your router. Sometimes, a quick reset clears up glitches fast. Make sure your phone's Eufy security app is up to date. Visit your app store and hit update if you see it. Also, check if you're logged into the right Eufy account in the app. Sounds simple, but it happens. Still no luck? Try turning off your phone's VPN or mobile data and connect only to Wi-Fi. Sometimes network settings block the live view. Finally, if nothing works, remove the doorbell from the Eufy app and add it back. This refresh can solve hidden issues. Remember, most live view problems are about Wi-Fi or simple app glitches. Take it one step at a time and you'll be back online in no time. Thanks for watching. For more tips, hit subscribe and check out our other videos.